Today we're checking out a retro console that on paper looks like it could have potential. This is the 2.4 wireless 3D rocker. A tiny console with wireless controllers and 3D analog sticks. But the big question is, this is actually worth it? Let's start with unboxing. Inside the box, the first thing you see are the two wireless controllers sitting right on top. Next, you will find the manual and the charging cable, and off the side, the main stiff console with the wireless dongle tucked neatly beside it. It's a simple setup, nothing fancy, but it's organized and gives you everything you need right away. When I first got my hands on this, I thought, wow, this is super lightweight. The 3D rocker feels interesting, even though in most of the games I tested it doesn't really do much. Just to be clear, this is not a sponsor review. I bought this with my own money, so everything here is 100% honest. The buttons are clicky, the triggers are decent, and while the plastic feels budget, still solid enough for a casual play. For a wireless retro console under $40, this is actually some charm. The design is compact and colorful. It's lightweight. Now, it's definitely on the budget side. The plastic feels light and the 3D analog stick seems really unnecessary for 3D games. The D-pad works perfectly for arcade titles and Sega Genesis classics. Setup is super simple. Just plug the 2.4 USB receiver into the console and the TV box or device. Turn on the console and actually automatically pairs. The wireless range is actually solid and it could sit several meters away from the zero noticeable lag. Buttons press register instantly, which is perfect for fast-paced arcade and Genesis games. Just keep in mind, this is built for casual retro play, not for modern 3D games or multiplayer gaming. I tested a variety of classic 2D titles, from arcade hits like Pac-Man and Street Fighter, Genesis favorites like Sonic and Streaks of Rage. Arcade games perfectly playable. The D-pad and buttons respond quickly. Combos on fighting games is still smooth. Sega Genesis games are so great. Timing in platformers is accurate and wireless response never skip a beat. Wireless freedom, being untethered adds a level of comfort and you can sit back in the couch and just enjoy it. Alright, time to break it down. Pros: lightweight and portable, wireless freedom works well, affordable and fun for 2D retro games, buttons are responsible for classics, great for casual players or kids new to retro gaming. Cons: plastic build feels cheap, analog stick doesn't affect gameplay, not designed for 3D modern games, but you can expect much from this. So overall, if you want a wireless plug and play console for classics arcade and Genesis titles, or a fun low cost gift for someone new retro to gaming, it's a solid pick. So it is worth it? If your goal is to play casual 2D retro games, or just want something easy and fun or for quick nostalgia sections, yes, the 2.4 wireless 3D rockers is worth it. It's not going to replace a handheld that can play 3D games or emulators, but for arcade and Genesis classics, it does exactly what it promised. Have you tried a wireless retro console like this one before? Let me know in the comments what's your favorite 2D games to play. If you enjoyed this review, hit a like and subscribe for more retro handheld content, and I would like to see you in the next one. Peace.